Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be show you how to change the air conditioning filter, and today we're not gonna be use any tools. So this one is Toyota Camry 2007. So here you go. This is our glove box. So you're just gonna be open it, and there is a two sides. So just one step, you're just pulling out that plastic thing, and also there is very important things that hold the glove box to the main body of the car. I'm gonna be show you just quick. Over there, the second one, it's holding the glove box to the body. So by just simple, you're putting the left side to the right and right side to your left. There you go. Very simple and easy. And over there we just find it, the air conditioning filter on 2017 Toyota Corolla. There is a two sides pinches. You're clicking that, opening the cover, and here it go. Our filter, you can see it's dirty. It's very important to change the filter. We're gonna be put that in the trash. So this one, we just got the new filter for air conditioning. So pretty much you can buy this from any car store or the retail stores. It's very cheap. It depends from where you buy it from. And on a cover it says up. And there is a sign, there is an arrow showing to you need to put it that to the upside. Be very gentle because that's a plastic, and in the same way how you just take it out, you're just pulling that back to their original positions. We're done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.